Welcome to Street Petersburg, Russia's dazzling jewel of culture and history. Join us on an enchanting journey through the Venice of the North. Our adventure begins along the charming canals of Street Petersburg, where romance is woven into every bridge. Stroll along Nevsky Prospect, the city's vibrant artery, and marvel at the opulence of the Winter Palace. Explore the Hermitage Museum, a treasure trove of art that rivals the Louvre. Get lost in a maze of galleries filled with masterpieces that tell stories of emperors and artists. Witness the imperial splendor of Petersburg Palace, where gilded fountains dance to the tune of history. Step into the past at Catherine Palace, where the amber room glows with mystique. Immerse yourself in Street Petersburg's rich cultural tapestry. Attend a world-class ballet performance or let the harmonious strains of classical music carry you away. Venture beyond the city to Pushkin, where the poetic beauty of the Catherine Park awaits. Explore the formidable Peter and Paul Fortress, the birthplace of Street Petersburg, as the Neva River reflects the city's illuminated beauty. Street Petersburg beckons you to explore its mysteries. Hit the like button, share this journey with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content. Whether you're a history buff, a lover of the arts, a romantic soul, or an explorer of new horizons, Street Petersburg welcomes you with open arms. Discover the magic, and let Russia's cultural capital inspire your wanderlust.